Hi everybody, Dr. Danny Brassell coming to you from the train depot here in Coopersville, Michigan. Has your train pulled in? Are we trying to get your kid excited about reading? Well, that's what I do, is I help parents just like you get your kids to love reading. And one of the ways we get them excited is by and that anticipation. You ever have to wait for a train or for an airplane and you're just excited about it? That's what we want our kids to do we want them every night to look forward to that bedtime story, or if you read before a meal, can you continue that book that we were reading? That's our job, is to build up that anticipation. TV shows do it all the time. When I was a kid, they'd always have those serial TV shows where the show would end. They're like, oh, come back next week to find out what happens. That's what we want to do with reading. Come back tomorrow at bedtime to find out what happens in this book. And that's how our train's going to pull in. For all kinds of fun tips on how to get your kid to love reading, join me at Read Better in 67 Steps. For 67 consecutive days, I'm going to show you how to get your kid to love reading by giving you quick little videos every day, some tips, and it's just filled with all kinds of great stuff. You can also, you're going to get a complimentary copy of my book, The Reading Breakthrough, is something else to help you out. Let me help you help your kid love reading. We're going to show your kid that you're the superhero in this story. You're the train conductor, and let's get your kid just pumped up about reading. Your train has come in, everybody. See you soon, and I'm excited about this journey together.